Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before us we have this math challenge here to solve. If we are given this question, if x equal to 1 plus square root of 2021 divided by 2, then what will be the value of x cubed minus 506x minus 502 to the power of 7? Let's see how we get this done. So first we start with solution. So if we have this, so what we're going to do is that we write down the question x equal to 1 plus square root of 2021 divided by 2. Then we multiply both sides by 2. We have 2x equal to 2 times 1 plus square root of 2021 all over 2. And this will go. So we have 2x equal to 1 plus square root of 2021. So I'm going to transfer 1 to this side, so the equation becomes 2x minus 1 equal to square root of 2021. So I'm going to take the square of both sides. So I have this squared and then here squared. So once that is done, so I'm going to have to expand the left hand side, and that will give me 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 equal to this, and this will go. We have 2021. Okay, so from here we have 4x squared. All right. Okay, so from here we have 4x squared minus 4x equal to 2021 minus 1. So we have 4 into bracket x squared minus x equal to 2020. So I divide both sides by 4. So I have x squared minus x equal to 505. So I'm going to keep this. Okay, because this will be very useful in the next step of the solution. So let's pick up on this. We have x cubed minus 506x minus 502 all to the power of 7. Now I'm going to rewrite this as x cubed minus, so this 506x, I'm going to rewrite that as 505 plus 1, okay, 505 plus 1 all into x, okay. Then I have my 502, then everything here raised to the power of 7. Don't forget that 505 is the same thing as x squared minus x. So I have, by substitution, I'm going to get x cubed minus, so I'm replacing 505 with the value here, which is x squared minus x. Then of course we have plus 1 to the power, open bracket x, then minus 502, everything to the power of 7. So I'm going to continue on this side here. If I continue on this side, I'm going to have x cubed, okay. Now don't forget that I'm going to open up these brackets, so I'm going to have minus x cubed, that is x squared multiplied by x, that will be x cubed. Then of course we have this minus 1 here. So the next term will be x multiplied by x, okay, that's x squared. Then you have the negative multiplied by negative, that will give me plus x squared, okay. Then finally we have minus x, then we have minus 502, everything to the power of 7. Okay, so from here we see like terms cancel out each other. So we have x squared minus x minus 502 all to the power of 7. I'm still going to make further substitution for x squared minus x, and that will give me I'm going to make further substitution. I will make further substitution so that I'm going to have 505 minus 502 all to the power of 7. So I have 505 minus 502 is 3. Then 3 to the power of 7 will give me, I know that 3 to the power of 4 is 81. And 3 to the power of 3 is 21. 81 multiplied by 21 will give me 2,187. So there you have it, guys. I'll see you in my next class. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you very much. Goodbye.